بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful.
الحمد لله رب العالمين.
All the praises and thanks be to Allah, the Lord of the Alameen, meaning mankind, jinns, and all that exists.
الرحمن الرحيم.
The most beneficent, the most merciful.
مالك يوم الدين.
The only owner and the only ruling judge of the day of recompense, meaning the day of resurrection.
إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين.
You alone we worship, and you alone we ask for help for each and everything.
اهدنا الصراط المستقيم.
Guide us to the straight way.
صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
The way of those on whom you have bestowed your grace, not the way of those who earned your anger, such as the Jews, nor of those who went astray, such as the Christians.